What's up everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you increase the font size and decrease the font size in VS Code. Okay, so that's very simple. In the simple way I would tell you that you have to press the control and you have to press the minus button so that your size will decrease. Okay, and if you press the control button, okay, and you press the plus button with it, then your size will increase. Okay, so that's very simple. I would choose tell you that now I am pressing the control minus button, so my code is decreasing. Okay, and whenever I press the control plus button, my size and font is increasing. So that's how you can increase and that's how you can decrease the size in VS Code. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for this type of tips and tricks.